So I'm going to show you one more exercise that you can use to practice your canter leg yielding. And what it is you're going to come from the long side towards the short side, and in the corner that connects the long and the short side, that first corner, you're going to ride a 10-meter circle in the canter. And then when you finish with that circle, you're coming down the center line for not very long, and you're sitting into the direction that you want a leg yielding in. And your horse is already sort of naturally bent around your inside leg. And you're just going to sit over for as many strides as it feels comfortable to you and your horse. Sometimes you may reach the whole track. Sometimes you can go across that whole span from the center line, and sometimes you may just land on the quarter line. But regardless of what it is, just, it's a nice setup to practice that a little bit. If you can, repeat it at the next corner, and maybe 2, 3, if you can, 4 repetitions. Then give your horse a break and try to the other side. And so we're going to go do that a little bit here. First, going to go into a nice working canter here. Nothing too large, of course. More on the collected, a little bit more, measured side here, so that you have a good feeling and your horse is fairly stable feeling underneath you. And as you come into this corner here, you're not going to ride into it. You're going to ride a really nice 10-meter circle. Sit a little bit to the inside, help your horse navigate that small space. And you're just going to come around again and back onto the center line. You're going to sit to the left, drive with your right leg, look to the left, and slowly make your way over. There's no hurry at all. Then we're going to do it again here. Nice little 10-meter circle in the corner. Very good. So, very good. And then we're going to go back onto the center line, look to the left, sit to the left, drive with your right. Have a nice, even contact if you can. And we'll just try it one more time here. All good things are 3. Coming around here. And, yeah, good boys. You will see, come. If your horse breaks into the trot, you're going to go around again. Come on, good boy, no big deal. Come. So. And then, again, onto the center line. Look to your left. Sit to your left. Drive with your right. And then slowly but steadily, you're going to come over. Dog in the way. No big deal. So, and then I'm going to let him stretch a little bit in the canter, just as a reward for, working hard out. And here we are. Good boy. So, and as always, these things are exercises to get better and to become more balanced and strong and cadenced ultimately. These are just the beginning steps of all of that for Cooley too. So, give yourself and your horse lots of time, lots of breaks, lots of rewards, and enjoy. Happy riding. Good boy, Minji. Yes, I know you get something. You get something. Come here, you get a nice little sugar. There you go. Whoops.